Hello kids! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn what are cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems. Let's learn about cells first. Cell is the smallest unit of life that can function independently. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living organisms. They carry out essential life processes, and can be specialized for specific functions. For example, muscle cells help with movement, and nerve cells are involved in transmitting signals. Here is a picture of animal and plant cell. Now let's learn about tissues. Tissue is a group of similar cells that work together to perform a specific function. Tissues are the next level of organization after cells. For example, muscle and nervous tissues in animals. Xylem and phloem in plants. Kids. In this picture you can see a tissue. Kids. Do you know what is an organ? Organ is a structure composed of different types of tissues, working together to perform a particular task or function. Organs are more complex than tissues. Examples of organs are such as the heart, lungs, liver, and kidneys in animals, or roots, stems, and leaves in plants. Do you know what's an organ system? Organ system is a group of organs that work together to perform complex functions necessary for the survival of the organism. Each organ system is responsible for specific physiological processes. For example, the digestive system includes organs like the stomach and intestines that work together to process food, while the circulatory system includes the heart and blood vessels that transport nutrients and oxygen throughout the body. These levels of organization, from cells to organ systems, demonstrate how biological complexity is built up from simpler components. If you liked my video, do share and give thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.